So this is the idea of devotion. Anukalyena Krishnanu Shilanam Bhakti Uttama. The Uttam Bhakti is fixed and faceted on the idea of pleasing Krishna, giving him the best thing, which will make him the most happy. And there's nothing that makes Krishna more happy than Radharani. Nothing and no one. She's not a thing, she's a person. And everything she does makes him happy. Her dancing, her singing, her speaking, her walking, her talking. Everything she does gives him topmost pleasure to Krishna. Maha Anandita, as he read in Bengali. Maha Anandita. Not only Anand, but Maha Anand. Because it's Sevanand. Her seva is the topmost, so she gives the most bliss to Krishna. She even, in Natya Lila, it's explained that Radharani prays to such an extreme extent that she says, "Oh my Lord, oh my Gopinath, oh my Prananath, if you find pleasure in making me unhappy, if making me unhappy or gives you happiness, then that distress or that unhappiness that I undergo is my greatest source of happiness." In other words, if smashing me makes you happy, well, smash me all the time. It's a very inconceivable meditation. So therefore, there's nothing that makes Krishna happier than Radharani. So our idea was that if we, during this month of Purushottam, if we glorify Radharani, the Nam, Rup, Guna and Leela of Radharani, then Krishna will become so happy. That will make Krishna so pleased during his Purushottam month, his personal month. That he'll shower his blessings, especially shower his blessings, because he's in such a good mood. When you make someone happy or please them, they become in a good mood, happy mood. And when someone's in a good mood, they're very much in it. They like to give, and it's a good time to ask for a donation. That's what wives do. They cook very nicely for their husbands, and husband's in a good mood, and they say, "Oh, by the way, I need some money." And he's in a good mood. He says, "Yeah, take it, take whatever you want."